Welcome back to another one of our Ecobee how-to videos. In this video we're going to be covering how to connect and set up your thermostat's programming and scheduling features. We're going to do that by focusing on two main areas that we're going to access in our main menu. And we're going to have two different things to focus on. Comfort settings will allow us to adjust the actual temperatures during certain profiles when we're home or sleeping. And then schedule, which is going to allow us to adjust the times that those are occurring. So the first thing we're going to go to is comfort settings. And this is where it allows you to pick your ideal heating temperature, cooling temperature. You can adjust those to whatever you'd like. You're able to dictate in the summer and winter during heating and cooling mode if you want your fan to just run with heating or cooling, or if you want them to be on all the time. And then you're also able to dictate what sensors are controlling the system. In this case, I only have my thermostat connected, but if you've added sensors, say to the master bedroom, the office, the basement, whatever it is, and you're in that area during a specific profile period, you're able to dictate that control the system, or you're also able to average them out. And you're going to be given all of these options, and you're going to make these changes for all of your profiles when you're home, when you're away, and when you're sleeping. Once you've got all those set, you're going to go ahead and back out to your menu again, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our schedule, and this is going to allow us to change the times that those profiles are happening. The first thing you're going to see in here is going to be the default schedule that comes with out of the box. You'll notice that at the moment there's no away profile here. We're going to add those in if we need to. You'll also see that each day starts with the sleep schedule from the previous day because it rolls over through midnight. Let's go ahead and set up our schedule for, say, a Monday morning. Let's say we're home and we're waking up from sleep at 6:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and say that we leave for work. So we're going to be away. We're going to want to add the away profile, and then we're going to tell it what time. And that time is going to be on Monday because that's the day that we're working on. And let's say we leave for work at 7:30. You'll notice that that's now been added to our schedule. Now we don't have a home profile for when we get back from work or before bed. We're able to add that in here as well. And you're able to add another home profile in there. Again, we're still on Monday. And let's say we get home at 5 p.m. So now we've got our sleep rolling over from Sunday. We're waking up at 6:30. We leave for work at 7:30. We arrive home at 5 p.m. And then our sleep, let's say we go to bed at 10 o'clock. And you'll notice that the temperatures for each of these profiles are what was set during the previous screen in those comfort profiles. Now let's say every day's the same and we want to go ahead and just keep the rest of the week that way. You're actually able to copy Monday's schedule to whatever other days that you needed to do. So let's say Monday through Friday, it's all the same because we go to work. You're going to apply that. And now you'll notice that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are all the same. You don't need that away. You're able to specifically select it and remove it. And then now it's just got our sleep profile and our home profile in there. If you're going to go on a vacation, you're actually able to pre-program a planned vacation in here. You're able to tell it, I'm leaving on whatever date at whatever time. I'm going to be returning at this time, and during that time frame from when I leave to when I get back, these are the temperatures and the settings that I want to use. And then you're able to save that in there as well. So that way, if you've got a planned vacation for the middle of the summer, you're able to go ahead and get it in there, and you don't have to worry about how it's going to work when you're not home.